Good day everyone. Today, we will be discussing the key soil conservation and protection laws in the Philippines. Soil is one of our most important natural resources because it supports agriculture, forests, and ecosystems. These laws help protect our soil and ensure a sustainable environment for future generations. So what is soil conservation? Soil conservation refers to protecting soil from erosion, pollution, and degradation. Healthy soil is essential for plant growth, food production, and ecosystem balance. Without proper soil conservation, soil can easily be washed away or lose its fertility. So, how important is the soil conservation in the Philippines? The Philippines is an agricultural country where people depend on farming for food and livelihood. At the same time, we are vulnerable to floods, landslides, and climate change. These conditions make soil conservation very important for our safety and food security. Before we proceed to the topic about protection laws in the Philippines, we need to know why soil laws are needed. Soil conservation laws guide how land should be used and protected. They help prevent soil erosion, deforestation, and land degradation. These laws ensure that land resources are used responsibly and sustainably. Now, let's proceed to the main topic, key soil conservation and protection laws in the Philippines. The first law is
PD number 705, Revised Forestry Code of the Philippines. Presidential Decree number 705 focuses on forest protection and sustainable forest management. By preventing deforestation, this law helps reduce soil erosion and protects watershed areas. RA number 7160, Local Government Code of 1991. Republic Act number 7160 empowers local government units to manage natural resources within their areas. This allows LGUs to implement soil and water conservation programs suited to local conditions. PD number 389, Forestry Reform Code of the Philippines. Presidential Decree number 389 promotes proper management and conservation of forest lands. Healthy forests protect the soil by preventing erosion and maintaining water balance in watershed. RA number 9729, Climate Change Act of 2009. The Climate Change Act of 2009 integrates climate change adoption into development planning. It promotes sustainable land and soil management to reduce the impact of climate-related disaster. RA 10068, Organic Agriculture Act of 2010. This law promotes organic farming practice across the country. Organic agriculture improves soil fertility and reduces soil degradation by limiting the use of harmful chemicals. PD number 1153, Tree Planting Law. Presidential Decree number 1153 required citizens to plant trees regularly. Tree planting helps stabilize the soil, prevent erosion, and improve environmental quality.
next is the Republic Act 9275 or the Clean Water Act. The Clean Water Act regulates pollutants entering water bodies. It also helps protect soil by reducing contaminated runoff. Clean water and clean soil are closely connected. Another law is the Republic Act 9003 or the Solid Waste Management Act. This law promotes proper waste segregation and disposal. Improper waste dumping can contaminate soil. Proper waste management keeps soil clean and productive. Next is the Republic Act 7611 or the Strategic Environmental Plan for Palawan Act. This law provides a framework for sustainable development in Palawan. It regulates land use through zoning. This prevents soil degradation and protects natural resources. Next is the Republic Act number 11038 or the Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018. The expanded NIPAS Act strengthens protection of national parks. This area preserves vegetation that protects soil. Limiting destructive activities help maintain soil health. Next is Executive Order Number 192 or the Reorganization Act of the Department of Environmental and Natural Resources. Executive Order Number 192 strengthened the DNR. The DNR enforces environmental and soil protection laws. Strong enforcement ensure conservation efforts are effective. And the last one is the Republic Act Number 665 or the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law of 1980. This law promotes fair distribution of agricultural land. It encourages sustainable farming practices and responsible land use. These practices help maintaining soil fertility. In conclusion, soil conservation and protection laws play an important role in protecting our land and environment. These laws help prevent erosion, support sustainable agriculture, and address climate change. By understanding and supporting these laws, we help protect our soil for future generations.